Are you feeling anxious right now sa buhay mo? Feeling mo ba ang bigat-bigat ng buhay mo ngayon? Ang dami mong pinapasan? And you use that reason, no? I have anxiety, I have depression. But in reality, hindi mo ba alam that hindi yan yung tunay na cause? Because merong root cause or dahilan bakit ka nagkaka-anxiety or you're suffering depression right now. Think about it. And I want you to be honest with yourself. What's causing your anxiety? It must be fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of success, no? Ang daming dahilan bakit ka ngayon nagkaka-anxiety. Fear of uncertainty. So all of this are the possible causes bakit ka nagkaka-anxiety. So sometimes we just use that as an excuse. I feel anxious right now. Because in reality, hindi ka nagfo-focus kung ano yung gusto mo talaga. Mostly, you are focusing on the things that could go wrong. Pwedeng mangyaring mali. But hindi mo kasalanan yan. No? It's not your fault. The reason there, ganyan ka pinograma. You were programmed to focus on the negative. That's why, imaginein mo na lang, no, yung pinagdadaanan mo, yung fear of uncertainty, fear of failure. Let's say, 5 years mo nang dinadala na mayroon ka palang takot of failure. Because you don't have other tools to overcome that fear. Siyempre, ano yung mangyayari? After a while, para ng isang bundok na pinapasan. So, the next thing that would happen, you will get anxiety. Mag-a-anxiety attack ka because of those underlying causes. But think about this now. Reflect on yourself. What's causing you to be anxious? And if you could answer that, the next question there is, what do I need to do to overcome this? What do I need to do to resolve this? No, kasi once na-resolve mo yung ugat, and dun tayo magfo-focus sa ugat, hindi yung sa anxiety mo, kasi kahit pa anong tools na ibibigay ko sa'yo, mag-meditate ka dyan, do the breathing, if hindi mo pa rin na-resolve kung ano talaga yung tunay na dahilan ng anxiety mo, babalik at babalik rin siya paulit-ulit. And para mo na lang niloloko yung sarili mo. Right? Might as well focus on the cause. Saan galing? What's causing you to be anxious? And what's amazing is that we have tools and techniques to overcome that. We have timeline therapy, neurolinguistic programming. We have all these tools at your disposal na pwede mong pag-aralan at gamitin sa sarili mo para matulungan mo anytime yung sarili mo. So what kind of entrepreneur, no? Isipin mo, if you're a businessman, tapos every time you feel a challenge or you experience a challenge in your life, you can easily overcome that. Kasi may mga tools and techniques ka na pwede mong gamitin anytime. And this is the blessing here. Alam mo dati, when I didn't learn na pwede ko palang tulungan yung sarili ko, and there were people that can help me in my journey, I thought that I was destined for failure. I was destined for mediocrity. And all the challenges in my life, every time I face a challenge, parang feeling ko ang helpless ko. I love the Lord. I pray, I put my faith in the Lord. And syempre, hindi enough na magdadasal lang tayo. We need to be aware kung ano yung itutulong ni Lord sa atin. Right? And the Lord gave me the tools and techniques to help myself. The Lord led me to learning NLP, neurolinguistic programming, timeline therapy. And ito din yung mga tools na ginagamit ko sa sarili ko every time I feel a challenge in my life. I feel the fear of failure, the fear of uncertainty. No, because merong ugat yan. It started, merong dahilan kung kailan yan nag-start. Or I mean, merong pinagsimulan yan, yung fear of failure. It might be nung 5 years old ako, or when I was in grade school. So with the right tools and techniques, I could process it. And kumbaga, I could change that kung saan nagsimula yon. That's what's amazing when you have processes that you can use to help yourself. And after that, kasi nabago ko yung buhay ko, when I was able to change my life, I decided that ikaw din, you need to learn this para anytime kaya mong tulungan yung sarili mo. Stop with the drama, no? It's enough with the drama. Struggles will always be there. Problema, pag na-overcome mo yung isang struggle, there will be another one. Because our struggles are designed to teach us something. Now, without the right tools, you will just be stuck with that struggle. And I tell you, hindi mauubos yung struggles natin sa buhay. As long as we're alive, there will be struggles because that struggle is designed to make you better. Right? So embrace the struggles. Embrace the challenge because it's designed to help us become the best version of ourselves. So going back to anxiety, yung nafe-feel mo na anxiety right now, it's just yourself telling you na meron kang kailangan i-let go at ayusin sa buhay mo. It must be a memory in your past, no? The program, what people were telling you about in the past. Because there's also a tendency that you are so focused on what other people would say. But what if nawala yung ibang tao and ikaw lang mag-isa sa buhay mo? Right? You will just be focusing on yourself. Have clarity. It doesn't matter if you fail or not, right? So what would happen if you have that tool to reprogram your mind, to focus on yourself, to focus on what is important, who is important, and give your best every day. That's the reason why I am here. Because I'm telling you, kung businessman ka or you are a leader, hindi mawawala yung struggles mo. Titindi at titindi pa yan kasi nagle-level up ka sa buhay mo. And imagine na lang what would happen if wala kang tools and techniques, wala kang taong magso-support sa'yo. Magbe-breakdown ka. And yung mga medicines para sa anxiety mo, para sa depression mo, parang snacks mo na lang. Sino yung kawawa? Ikaw. So might as well, no? Might as well be open to learning. Learn tools that you can use to help yourself. Kasi pag natulungan mo yung sarili mo, it's easy for you to help others along the way. I hope you've gained something insightful during our time together, no? So, the things that I share here are things that I've observed, I've also, kumbaga, encountered, and I would break it down kasi, no? Bakit nag-work to? Why is this being released? Bakit nahi-heal tayo with this one? That's the type of person I am. I break down the process and titingnan ko kung effective ba or hindi. Kasi kung hindi ko to ituturo sa inyo. But since effective siya, and I know that when you just apply it in your life, magbabago yung buhay mo, it only takes decision. That's why hindi pa huli ang lahat. No, yung trauma that you're carrying 5 to 10 years, 15 years, you can let that go. Yung mga nangyari sa buhay mo, people that, kumbaga, nagbully sa'yo, na hindi ka maka-let go, you can let that go. May paraan. Once again, I'm June Acevedo. I'm a certified neurolinguistic programming master coach and trainer. Ano ba yung ginagawa ko? I help people transform their lives by equipping them with the right tools to overcome their fears, their struggles, no? And to have the right tools to go after the life that they want. So, what's stopping you from living your best life?